Ain't like I'm still 5 years old, you know? Ain't like I'm gonna be sitting up every night asking my mom, when's daddy coming home, you know? Who needs him? Hey, he wasn't there to teach me how to shoot my first basket, but I learned, didn't I? Hey, I got pretty damn good at it too, didn't I, Uncle Phil? Got through my first date without him, right? I learned how to drive, I learned how to shave, I learned how to fight without him. I had 14 great birthdays without him. He never even sent me a damn card. The hell with him! I ain't need him then and I don't need him now.
Will.
Nah, you know what, Uncle Phil? I'm gonna get through college without him. I'm gonna get a great job without him. I'm gonna marry me a beautiful honey, and I'm having me a whole bunch of kids. I'm gonna be a better father than he ever was. And I sure as hell don't need him for that, cause ain't a damn thing he could ever teach me about how to love my kids. How come he don't want me, man?
At least you found me entertaining. You actually liked me, didn't you? What am I doing? Why do I want to hurt you so bad? I'm supposed to be a friend. I just want to be a friend.
You went back to Tubbo, the guy that exiled you, that chose his country over you.
Or above the government.
I'm a person! Discs aren't people! You've used me from the start, Tommy! You betrayed me like 12 times! You've never thought of me as a friend, Tommy. You've just used me from the start. You saw me just as the Blade. That's all I was to you, the Blade. I was willing to fight all of them for you, Tommy. I would have been there.
I hope we're still friends, yeah, I hope you don't mind. I hope we're still friends, yeah, I hope you don't mind. I hope we're still friends, yeah, I hope you don't mind.
You don't get to abandon your kids and then show up one day to take your pick of the litter.
Oh, now, that's not fair. Your mother's made mistakes, but she's here now. That's got to count for something.
Shut up, Frank. This isn't about you. This is about you. This is about what you didn't do. It's about what I did. And you know what? I did a fucking great job. Debbie's class president. She's on the debate team going to nationals. Lip, he's top of his class. He set the curve. Ian was promoted in ROTC, and he tested out of English. And Carl made something blow up for his science fair. And you know what? They did it all. No thanks to you, because you weren't here.
And I appreciate that, Fiona, but I'm here now, and Liam belongs with me.
He doesn't even know who you are.
I'm his mother.
You were my mother, too.
Hey, I'm gonna go to the library. Do you wanna come along? No thanks. I'm gonna stay home. Okay, I'll see you.
Behind curtain number 1 is... correct! Wait. You don't remember what she looks like? Hey, just make something up. too late. He's gonna get it.
It's not fair, 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 not fair! Why won't you forgive me? If you did something wrong, you'd forgive yourself right away! What did I do? Why won't anybody forgive me?
Hello, just a quick update. Quinn is still in the other boys' clothes. A few of them are somehow related. One of them knocked out another with a dictionary, and now they're all fighting for some reason.
Oh, wow.
How's your existential crisis coming along?
Fine.
Good.
Mrs. Hills, can dreams also have memories? I mean, can you still have memories even when you're dreaming?
Oh, Oliver, what else are memories if not dreams themselves?
What?
Right then, more soon.
Do you blame yourself? What? Well, it's quite common in this situation for a patient to feel a kind of guilt. What situation? The accident.
When I'm away from you, I'm happier than ever. What are you doing, dear? Aren't you tired? What are you doing here? I don't think that you were invited. Here you go again, pretending like you love me. And just beneath the surface, you're convinced that you're above me. Dig deep into the past. I've never been one for doing things half-assed. If I'm here to save you, I'll be here forever. Just take my hand, I'll be your knight in shining armor. You think you're a hero? And they'll tell you you are so stoic and handsome. And you've come so far. You think you're a villain, know you're not. Under all that angst and anger is a dying, broken heart. Hey, what about the lonely little girls? What about her monsters who prevailed? You never came to save my world. What about us? I recognize that you're upset. I know you know nothing of me. Trust me, please believe me, this won't stop the hurt for long. We don't need to end like this. Look me in the hero complex. I know I'm the villain, but we know you're the one who lies. So you're back at it again, twisting and manipulating every word I've said. Come on, you know that's not true. I'm just trying to help you. Let me help you. You are not my hero. You don't know how it felt. What else could you do with the cards that I've been dealt? You are not the villain. You once held my hand. Stand up, get out. Sometimes things don't go as planned.
You don't even want to know what I think about your face. I hate it, Wilbur.
Go on. Stop, you two. God damn it.
I think of your face. I think, why do so many people look at that?
You literally ate mud yesterday. You ate mud yesterday.
Oh, Wilbur, I said I don't want to talk about that.
Put your mask on. Johnny.
Yes, Papa?
Eating sugar?
No, Papa.
Bullshit! I saw your hand in that sugar jar. Oh, I swear.
British people be like, it's Tuesday, innit? British people watching Spider-Man be like, Peter Parker. British people be like, can I get a bowl of water? British people get mad and be like, are you fucking stupid? British people getting stabbed and be like, oi there mate, bit rude to put that knife in me chest, innit?
The giant horse conch weighs over 11 pounds.
The fucking what?
The fuck is you looking at, bitch?
My name is Jaquavion Tavius. I'm 6 years old, and I do drugs, steal, fight, gangbang, domestic violence, and I like to slap squirrels that I find in trees.
Excuse me, officer?
Can I help you?
Hey. What your cute ass doing out here?
My name's Bon Kui Kui. I'm 17, and I like to flirt with male police officers. You're under arrest.
Oh, shit. Ooh, you aggressive, huh, baby?
How can I do this? How can I be so stupid? This could destroy the company.
The company? Who cares about the company? What about us? That thing is a killing machine!
Oh, your positioning is so good.